Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating your GoPro and turning GPS on in Preferences. Do that now. Once done, set the video resolution and frame rate you intend to use for your activity. Next, power the camera and wait for a solid GPS lock. You need that lock before you hit record. If you're moving immediately, hold for a few seconds to let satellite sync. This establishes the telemetry stream that the rest of the process depends on, so don't skip this step. You now record with GPS telemetry active. Start recording only when the GPS icon shows locked. While you record, keep the camera mounted with a clear sky view. Tall buildings, trees, or metal can degrade GPS quality and corrupt speed readings. Make your motion steady and avoid abrupt stops. That produces cleaner speed traces. Record the entire segment you want speed for in one clip. Once done, stop recording and keep the original file. It contains embedded GPS data needed for the next step. You finish by importing the original clip into GoPro Quick or the GoPro Player. These tools read embedded telemetry and let you add a speed overlay directly to the video. Choose the speed gauge style and export a burned-in copy if you need shareable footage, or export GPX/CSV if you want speed plotted elsewhere. If speed data is missing, make sure firmware is current, reboot the camera, and retry in an open area. Poor satellite lock is the most common cause of lost GPS telemetry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.